Mama wakwaba wofreme Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ora broja Jenfi eye organizer de ma NPP amayoku no ewo Volta region. Na ora broja Jenfi de ensem bi atodwa ede ensem na oka. O kire se ena no 4th November NPP for ekoto aba eyi omo flag bearer eye His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Bawumia Enwini no sada Saturday enwumre no asem esi na eda asem na esi o kire se NPP for na emu penifo ina ekohie mu ewo Accra Sports Stadium omo eko announce nipa onwini na ebusuafo omo edi nipa onwini ndi etudwa NPP for Ghana for ina ehu se Vice President Dr. Bawumia na wenwini no obia e man speech obia de nsem etudwa obia e kana komaso asem a omo ina eche so mbe support NPP amayoku no na His Excellency Addo Akufo Addo ono so odi party nanim as menimo kasa sesie no osore e de nsem etudwa e de NPP flag no e ma e Vice President Dr. Bawumia ana say e represent say Vice President Dr. Bawumia na sesie no odi NPP anim His Excellency Addo Akufo Addo e ka kire Ghana man yina sesie no odi race no ashe eye Vice President Dr. Bawumia ninsa na ora broja Jenfi e kire se sa seminar esiye no His Excellency Addo Akufo Addo wa kire se ampa a good leader wa kire se odi eye race no ama Vice President Dr. Bawumia obeboa no na we break 8 no but on shadu we so say His Excellency indeed says sad no ye no efri na kumem na opese NPP for e break 8 no dia efri na kwe asema Vice President Dr. Bawumia ebeka insusu ode beba adwe ode beba bibia ode beba bia no say His Excellency Addo Akufo Addo ediso anasa His Excellency Addo Akufo Addo na nimpenefo mo take a decision bia kra say omo involve Vice President Dr. Bawumia wo msene ebeya ebia Vice President Dr. Bawumia e wa adwin bi anasa bibia ode beboa na economy no ato ne boase edwane se ne beya 2024 breaking the 8 no mo kan no ampa ebebem intino ensemwe na ura broja Jenfi de ababetu jo se NPP for say fi na ekonomo enti Vice President Dr. Bawumia ne nsema obeka se ne be ometimi e break it ni enti nsema ura broja Jenfi de etudwa.
You see, when you are taking over from Adianya Odia now Ojia, you will have to consolidate it. Okay. You don't just go and sprinkle a few things and think that voila, we be. You need to show beyond certain things. Don't forget that you see the politics we do in Volta region. Aside from developing people, no, tribalism forms a chunk of our politics. You understand? The Ashantis will vote for MPP because of certain reasons. The Ebens will vote for MPP, NDC because of certain reasons. And so if you are changing the mindset of the people now, and you're in two folds, you look at their emotional interest and then you also look at their developmental interest. And if you're able to hit the two at a go, no, then you are getting the person. You can go and develop somebody on to Obama. And then Bahama Kokan say as for the
how the gold.
Okay, he was expressing his frustration.
Okay. Oja home mesa ba ho ati say we program na say me no edi we ho komona ye hekwan be fa so there because no you see
interest no
oh but
it's also enjoying it.
The point is that nipa no wa ye on adwuma wa ye adwuma so ho nipa ne penasem edi se nipa ne penasem ne yed ne kona obi wi ne yed obi foforo kwa apart from no be lose dia then there's a party ni
so it's a party and government
etimi hu ni ntia
yes
onipa ne lose interest
yeah
na it will solve it because in the parliamentary game of numbers it won't mean afford it to lose one of your best a year.
No, as for the corporate conversation in there, there's something that government, presidency and the national party should look into it.
And the new flag bearer
yes, the state government. The says a flag bearer. No, a government, no, because but now the president cannot take any decision without consulting him. I was if the president indeed want to hand over power to an MPP leader and a next MPP leader there, then every decision the president will have to take. I was so on any account
from now on not.
I was so on any account. Now, only more input from Ono and Sanawati. That is if indeed the president want to hand over power.
Mr. Vice President.
Yes.
Mr. Flag Bearer.
Mr. Flag Bearer. Mr. Next Leader. This is what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Now, what are you thinking?
Okay.
It is a new leader and they say, oh, Mr. President, let's do it this way. In that way.
Okay. May I say, Eti Kosi Buja, a voter regional organizer and dean of regional organizers, and pay Martinica movement in the morning. Wouldn't me radio 95.9 movement TV. I can't see
Obia or follow the election killing. Once a na a could do baby na abe I am she. But say to me we election na omo the main points are omurani election na yenyina ye bo mo abaso ni yenyina ni agea to say the election was indeed free and transparent, no? Then it means that we also need to congratulate them for the job done. Professor Michael Kwe led committee. Everything about the election was very transparent. Easy for no mobile running the last show, no? So they did extremely well. The police service and everybody. And then the National Party. At least for the first time, Otumehun said this is a national party. Election. They've been able to stay away from the election. Mama Obia, that level playing field, say, go and campaign and get your result. And even the result from the headquarters shows the party had played this role at the national headquarters. The national party so abaso. And then the delegates, the party faithfuls. We contributed to Bibi Ayabedu and there. Now, Mekasa will also look into Yankasa conduct into the election. There will only say ego do baby na I say we were fighting the NDC. Now I say MPP against NDC. Yeah. But now we have forgotten say it was an internal election. The kind of things that we said about ourselves, no? And also can be any the result we have gotten today. Maybe me say the National Party together with the new leader, no? Quickly we putting up certain structures will start healing wounds from the grassroots, because that is where the problem is. That's why will be a protest, whether it is protest or not. How do we deal with this situation? Because juma in tem na nyama shaman fomu na ye de parliamentary election we are in big trouble, because the often constituencies they have nothing to lose, they have nothing to gain. No? Because if you come to my region, for instance, we only have one MP. The remaining 17 constituencies in NDC. If we are going for any seats, we may not be targeting more than 2 or 3 seats in the Volta region. Yeah. And such places, say zoom into it and making sure say you calming situations down. Not a degenerative pet. It means we have given the NDC a free day. You person or constituencies, and say very key. How to get the party involved, heal wounds, get everybody back to base. Saying so that 89% breaking, making the 8 in possible. If you look at
keke. I say because papa na yehwe TV so na boy vice president one na te ha ye ne didi no one imam ADD
me kai say odana me kosua date any mitigorowe the Ramadan,
exactly. So we say ye the date na go ho na wa yi bi na ho di na imam nso de bi na omudi nkomo na ye bisa questions ni na keka ho efe because there is some sense of belongingness and na NDC for how because omuni say what is him no kozongo omo so very important. That's one. 2, and say omunim say even in the north